what we wanted to discuss with our Analytics India magazine audience today at Cypher event was to let them know about how quantifiable business outcomes can be delivered by using the best that we have in the field of artificial intelligence and data. We focused on the customer success, the business outcomes, whether it was 25% turnaround time reduction, whether it was going live with capstones of business projects that employees have themselves embarked, whether it was saving $50 million for an organization, and all doing this in-house. That was pretty much one of the topics. Moy was fantastic when she created and shared the concept of Qprint, which is the blueprint driven by upGrad for business. So why don't you talk to us about that?
Yes, I think when my teammates and I, we started looking at all the kind of programs that we have deployed, the kind of problem statements organizations actually come to us, where skilling is the answer. The entire mining of requirements, the mining of outcomes that we have done has culminated into the Qprint. In fact, I would say that talent skilling is absolutely essential if people have to build data skills, and the only way they have to actually look at it is just look in-house, and that's where Qprint is definitely going to help mine that skill gap. And yes, as part of the presentation we did say it's a journey. There are 6 facets to it, but it's a journey, and eventually when you get all the 6 facets addressed as part of your plan, you definitely are on your way to really close the skill gap that we are seeing, and helps you to harness the power of data in your businesses. I think some of the very cogent examples of having used a lot of AI technologies, a lot of some of the digital technologies in the field of edtech. The most important example is of course the recommendation engine. The other example in the area of edtech, and we talked a little bit about it, and in fact a lot about it, was that credential your talent. Now credentialing your talent by using any body of work which is very cogent and which shows their qualification. Now, in order to scale credentialing, a lot of things that are happening in edtech is actually auto-evaluation of learners' body of work. And the more and more we are able to actually train data into that, the more and more auto-evaluation, AI will be able to auto-evaluate and even credential the learners, their body of work. And last but not the least, using blockchain, will be able to store the credentials, the true system of record of all of these credentials of learners as they go through skilling plans.
Absolutely. I would just say that the predictive analysis part of it, the trend analysis, whether you're looking at in-house, your own employee base, your customer base, your buyer base, I mean, that's all driven by tech, that's all driven by artificial intelligence. And I don't think businesses today can survive without over-indexing on it. So we came to Cypher to definitely be collaborative, connect with like-minded professionals, learn from there and experience share. And while it's just been a few hours in, I think we are getting to take all of these.
I'm looking forward to all those conversations where, again, as I'll hark back to what I said earlier, learner-centric and business-focused. I'm really looking to see organizations partner with them, collaborate with them, advise them on really implementing, get onto the Qprint, and then make a sort of, what can I say, think about your business growth by utilizing talent as your business differentiator.